The positive volume oscillator indicator is available for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it to the output charts. Traders can also read this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and activate the indicator by clicking on the file on the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the common settings and then click the Confirm button. By dragging the indicator onto the chart, an oscillator window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The positive volume oscillator is a practical tool suitable for identifying bullish trends and recognizing bearish trends in the market. Our red line is the positive volume line, which is how this market is approaching. The oscillator calculates based on the current candle in relation to the previous candle. If our current candle is larger than the previous one, it takes the close of the current candle and compares it to the previous day's candle, applying that ratio to the volume. Our blue line is the EMA line, which takes a weighted average from the output of the positive volume calculations and performs its calculations accordingly. If our blue line crosses the red line upwards, we can predict a bullish trend. And when the red line points us towards the pin bar, we can exit our buy trades. And when our blue line crosses the red line downwards, we can predict a bearish trend and enter a sell trade. When the blue line crosses or touches the red line, we can exit our sell trades and close the position. Here, we can see again that the blue line has crossed the red line upwards, and after that we have a profit trend. In the settings section, under inputs, there are two options for us. In the first section, you can set the period for positive volume, which is set to 2 by default. In the next section, you can specify the EMA period, which takes an average from the first period and performs its calculations. For example, here I set the number to 5 and here I set it to 21 and then I click Confirm. We can see that the calculations have been applied to the chart, showing us a relatively smoother line. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.